Taking up caregiving NC2. Today I'm going to perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation and rescue breathing for an adult. Okay, first sanitize your hand, survey the scene. The scene is safe. There is only one victim. Again, state your name. My name is J. Alice Trinidad, a trained first aider. Can I help? So bakit natin tinatanong? Can I help? Pwede ba akong tumulong? Why? Why? O, kung may kaalaman ba? Pwede rin, pero hindi ka naman siguro mag-volunteer kung wala kang kaalaman kasi nagpakilala ka. I am a trained first aider. Can I help? Because it is everyone's right or every victim's right to refuse kung ayaw nila. Diba? Eh what if unconscious yung victim? Wala siyang kakayahang karinig makapagsalita. Paano gagawin? Paano natin matatanong? So, pwede natin tanongin. Okay, yung mga bystanders na nasa paligid, baka meron doon kakilala, kamag-anak, kaibigan, kalaguyo, ay hindi na po pwede magbigay ng pahintulot or ng permission. Okay, I am a trained first aider. Can I help? Yes. Okay. Please activate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me as I check the victim's responsiveness. Okay. Checking the victim's responsiveness. Okay. Gently tap the shoulder with urgency. Okay. Hey sir, are you okay? And then di pa tayo sa kabila. Hey sir, are you okay? So, why? Bakit tayo lumilipat? Baka yung cause ng accident na damage yung pandinig niya sa right or sa left. So di pa tayo. Kung di nyo narinig dito, baka dito meron gusto mag-respond siya. Okay. So the victim is unresponsive. So please activate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me. Okay. Activating medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me. Ano yun? Ito na yung tatawag tayo ng professional help. Hindi tayo. Tayo. Di ba? Kasi tayo yung first aider. So, never ever na magpe-perform kayo ng CPR at ng rescue breathing nang walang darating na professional or medical help. Why? Kasi magiging exhausted lang din kayo. Baka mamaya sa halip na isa lang yung biktima, maging dalawa pa kayo. So, activating medical assistance, patulong. O, tawag ka sa ospital, tawag ka ng ambulansya. Huwag sasabing tawag ng punerarya, ha? Tawag ng ambulansya, ha? Tawag ng ambulansya. So, okay. So, please activate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me as I do my primary survey on the victim. Okay, primary survey. Papasok dito yung ABC of CPR, which is airways, breathing, and circulation. Okay. Check the airways. Okay. C. Maximum head tilt. L. Chin lift. Unresponsive ka, huwag kang lumala. Okay. Chin lift maneuver. Okay. So, maximum head tilt, chin lift maneuver. Okay. Tinataas natin maximum head tilt kasi ino-open natin yung airways. Okay. So, if positive for spinal cord injury, do the jaw thrust maneuver. Okay. So, if positive for obstruction, do the finger blind sweep using your index finger. So, ayan. So, naka-maximum head tilt pa rin yan, ha? So, if none, just state nose and mouth are clear, no obstruction is seen. Okay? So, tapos tayo sa breathing. Tapos tayo sa airways. Now, let's check the breathing. Okay. Check the breathing. Okay? Naka-maximum head tilt, chin lift maneuvers pa rin, ha? Okay. Check the breathing, head support, and then sa carotid pulse. Okay, ang carotid pulse, gitna ng baba, Adam's apple, right side. Check nyo nga. May
Meron
pintig
pong
ba?
puso.
May pintig ba? Meron? May pintig? Praise the Lord. Buhay pa tayo.
Ay,
Okay. Check the breathing. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Okay. So, pag checking the breathing, papasok dito yung LLS. Look, listen, and feel. Okay. Bakit? Paano look, listen, and feel, ha? Hindi stop, look, and listen, ha? Look, listen, and feel. Look, yung rise and fall ng chest. Kaya dito tayo nakatingin. Listen, kaya yung tenga natin nakatapat doon sa bibig niya. And feel yung carotid pulse. Okay. So, 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So, the victim is breathless. So, ano gagawin? Go on. Leave me breathless. Okay. So, the victim is breathless. Give 2 initial blows. Okay. So, pag nagbibigay tayo ng blows, we pinch the nose, you open the mouth, and then blow. And then balik sa head support, and then sa carotid pulse, and then check. You pinch the nose, you open the mouth, blow, head support, and carotid pulse, and then check. Okay. Check the circulation. Okay. Ganun pa rin. Maximum head tilt, chin lift maneuver pa rin. Hawak pa rin. Pero ito, up to 10 na yung counting. Sa breathing is up to 1 to 5. Sa circulation is 1 to 10. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 2009, 1010. So the victim is breathless and pulseless. So please follow up medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me as I do the cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, nipple line. Yung tapat ng nipple natin, yung line na yun. So nipple line, then mag-meet sa center of the chest. Okay. Ayun. So, kung ano yung may pressure yung kamay, yun yung nasa ilalim. Okay. Fingers intertwined. Elbows locked. And then, eyes on the victim's face. Okay. 30 compressions, 5 cycles, 2 blows, and check per cycle. Okay, so that's yan, ha? 30 compressions, 5 cycles, 2 blows and check per cycle. Okay. Okay. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 per cycle. And then, pinch the nose, open the mouth, blow, check, blow, check. Second cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Second cycle. Blow, check, blow, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 na. Last cycle. Hinihingal na ako. Blow, check, blow, check. And then check the circulation. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The victim is with pulse but breathless. Please follow up medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me as I do my rescue breathing. Okay. So rescue breathing, always remember it begins with blows and ends with blows. Okay. Pinch the nose, open the mouth, blow, and then 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,001. This is 24 cycles sa adult. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,002. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,003. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,005. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,024. Last cycle and blow. Then check the circulation. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The victim has pulse and breathing. The victim is revived. So place the victim into recovery position or yung lag roll. Okay. Una natin gagawin, tataas natin si right hand. Ko-cross natin si left hand. Ko-cross natin si left leg. Okay. Ang purpose, si right hand magsaserve as pillow. Stopper si left hand at si left leg para hindi siya magdire-diretso na ano. So, shoulder and hips. At the count of 3, angat po namin kayo. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Okay, from this, mula sa bewang, no bleeding, no dots. Balikat, no bleeding, no dots. And then, ulo, no bleeding, no dots. Then, palit. Mula sa balakang, no bleeding, no dots. Balakang, hita, no bleeding, no dots. Alak-alakan, binte, no bleeding, no dots. Binte, talampakan, no bleeding, no dots. Please follow up medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me as I do my secondary survey. Keep monitoring vital signs until medical assistance arrive. Okay. Gets? Kaya na? Question?